My name is Roberto Ruggero. I'm a professor at the University of Camerino. I have the pleasure to coordinate a research group made by researchers from School of Architecture and Design of the University of Camerino and Centauroos, our industrial partner. We aim to produce a digital workflow to link together phases of building processes that are normally separated: design, production and construction, using digital advanced technologies. The project is focused on 4 technologies: building information modeling, 3D printing, computational design and augmented reality for the assembly site. To link all those technologies and different digital environments, we need of an infrastructure, and the infrastructure is 5G.